If you want to change wallpaper on a Nothing Phone 3, then all you have to do is open Settings. In the Settings, we're gonna go to Customization, and then over here we can switch between lock screen and home screen, and at the bottom we have some example wallpapers that we can use. You can also tap on More Wallpapers in order to find more options. You can tap on More over here in order to find some other example wallpapers that we have on our phone. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one as an example. You have the preview, you can zoom in and zoom out and so on and so forth. So we're gonna press this check over here in the top right corner. You can choose to apply it on the lock screen and home screen. You also have the atmosphere option and the glass effect, and then we can press down in the top right corner. And by doing so, we will apply to both lock screen and home screen as we have it selected like that. But of course, we can uncheck any of these and apply only for lock screen or only for the home screen. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.